Today we'll be practicing a few poses to help us open up the hips, and we'll do them all from our chairs. The first is a seated goddess pose. I invite you to come forward a little bit from the back of your chair. Your feet are nice and flat on the ground. I invite you to take your legs a little bit wider than the hip distance, a little wider than the legs of your chair. Notice right away that you're opening the inner thighs. You are opening, turning out your hips, placing your hands on your thighs with your fingertips on the inside, and even just give a little bit of a pulse, a little bit of a pull back, just to see the range of motion today. Sitting up nice and tall. Once or twice more, warming up the hips. And you can come to stillness. I invite you to take a deep breath, sit up tall, and as you exhale, hinging at the hips, bringing your chest forward and down so that you can look down at the floor. Your back is nice and straight. And then inhaling and coming up. Let's do that again. Inhale, and as we exhale, hinging at the hips and leaning forward, find the place that you can comfortably go to. As you do this, do you feel that your inner thighs are opening even more? Push yourself back up. Now this time, inhale. As you exhale, hinging and leaning over. Exhale deeply. Imagine your hips just relaxing with your breath. Inhale and come up. Let's do that again. Inhale. As you exhale, hinge and fold and relax the hips as you come forward. Inhale up. One last time. Exhale, hinging, coming forward. Stay here for a moment. Take a full breath here. Inhale. As you exhale, just breathe that openness into your hips. And push yourself back up. And that's it. Take 5 yoga, 5 minutes of mat-free yoga for beginners and gentle yogis. If you'd like to learn more about my midlife yoga program, please visit my website, www.youarerightontime.com. I'll see you for our next episode of Take 5 Yoga. And until then, I wish you namaste and peace.